Welcome friends. So today we will discuss about secrets of meditation. If our body become hardware, then our mind is software. The whole hardware or our physical activities are controlled by our mind. And as you know, I have already discussed, in mind there is three components: conscious mind, subconscious mind and superconscious mind. And the most of the amount in our mind, but the most of the percentage of the mind is occupied by the subconscious mind. And this subconscious mind decides every actions of our body. So meditation is to go conscious to subconscious and subconscious to superconscious. Superconscious is our spiritual mind. And accordingly our brain waves are working. And our conscious mind is more active, then alpha and beta waves are work. Then when we go to subconscious mind, then theta wave work. Then when we go up to deep meditation and we achieve our superconscious mind, our spiritual mind get activated, and that moment the delta wave will be activated. So basics of meditations, like a mobile, if there is a battery to charge, similarly in our physical body our spine is our battery. So whenever you are doing meditation, just meditate your spine from the base of the spine to the tip of your head. And it is always think that person is getting energy from the universe. And if you do practice that meditation, that is called spine meditation. Just sit in a comfort posture, erect your spine and sit straight and just close your eyes and think about your spine. And just imagine a universe energy, a flow of energy is flowing through your head to your base of the spine, and your spine is getting activated. And that activated energy is gradually transmitted through your whole body. This is very simple meditation and very powerful meditation. And this meditation on practicing, you will go alpha beta activity to theta activity and theta to delta activity, in which your spiritual mind get activated and you will achieve ultimate calmness. And when you achieve ultimate calmness, the healing process in your body will get activated, and whatever may be the disease, diabetes, obesity, hypertension, the internal healing will be activated, and your disease morbidity pattern will be decreased, severity pattern will be decreased, and definitely you will go through a holistic approach. Thank you.